Ever thought about expanding your business internationally? Maybe you're eyeing new markets, or maybe you're simply looking for a more efficient way to manage your global finances. But before you dive headfirst into the exciting world of international business, there's one crucial question you need to ask yourself. Does Airwallex charge a fee? Because let's be honest, nobody likes unexpected costs, especially when you're already dealing with the complexities of global trade. So, in this video, we're going to cut through the jargon and give you the straight answer. We'll explore the different fees associated with Airwallex, how they compare to traditional banks, and most importantly, how to minimize your costs and maximize your profits. Now, the short answer is yes, Airwallex does charge fees. But here's the thing, it's not as simple as a single flat fee. Airwallex operates on a tiered fee structure, meaning the fees you pay will depend on a few key factors. These factors include transaction volume. The more you transact, the lower your fees may become. Currency pairs. Some currency conversions may have higher fees than others. Payment methods. Fees can vary depending on how you're sending or receiving money, e.g., bank transfers, card payments. For example, let's say you're sending a large sum of money from the US to Europe. Airwallex might charge a lower fee per transaction compared to your traditional bank. However, if you're dealing with more obscure currencies or making frequent small payments, the fees might add up. But here's where Airwallex can really shine. Competitive exchange rates. Airwallex often offers more competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks, which can significantly impact your overall costs. Transparent pricing. Airwallex is known for its transparent pricing model. You can usually find a clear breakdown of fees on their website or within their platform, giving you better control over your expenses. Potential for cost savings. By optimizing your transaction strategy and taking advantage of their tiered fee structure, you can potentially save a significant amount of money compared to traditional banking solutions. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it just a hassle to switch to a new platform? While there might be a slight learning curve, the potential benefits of using Airwallex can outweigh the initial effort. Airwallex offers a user-friendly platform with features like multi-currency accounts, virtual cards, and global payments, which can streamline your international business operations and save you valuable time and resources. So, does Airwallex charge a fee? Yes, but the actual cost will depend on your specific needs and usage. The key is to understand their fee structure, compare their offerings to traditional banks, and optimize your transactions to minimize costs and maximize your profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.